God. It's too early. It's way too early. Let's go. Right. Okay, so today we are taking you through a day in the life of a tattooist. Not just any tattooist though, obviously the greatest tattooist in the world, that being certainly not me. But I'm going to take you through my day. So today we are doing a rework of a gas mask and rose, I think it is. The work is not mine, it's done by another artist, but the client wasn't happy, so he's come to me. Also, this is the start of 2 or 3 weeks, like full bookings, which I am extremely happy about. Like, bookings have been absolutely terrible lately, like so bad, to a point of that I've like seriously considered getting another job out of the tattoo industry just to keep me afloat, because bookings have been that bad. However, 2 to 3 weeks of solid bookings, thank God. Thank God. Also, we are gonna start vlogging more, because I like vlogs. I like putting them together. I watch vlogs myself, and I really need to get over the fear of like talking in public.
You're a pussy.
Like to a camera. It's so weird. Like I'm talking to like you guys, like currently like 4,000 of you. Like I'm talking to you guys, but because I'm stood there in public talking to a camera, people don't know that I'm talking to 4,000 people, and I just look like, I feel like I just look like an idiot talking to a camera. And I've got to get over it. I've really got to get over it.
Let's see that in an instant replay.
Now I hate reworks. Like I really dislike reworks. Like, I don't know why. They're not particularly hard or anything. But the thought of going over somebody's hard work, yeah, it's something that just doesn't sit right about it. This is my client Jordan, and this is what we are doing today. So we're just going to rework all of this. Hopefully get as much done in a day as we can. Go. Best thing about being an apprentice.
All the cups of teas you have to make for people.
These kids don't know what they've got. absolutely huge. Need something smaller. That is the tattoo rework done, and it looked a lot better going out than it did coming in, so success. It's just how it is now, isn't it? Proper bros. Until it goes back on coils and then it's not happening. Right, Christina. Why is that out of focus? Never mind.
What is that out of focus?
Why is that out of focus? There we go.
The concentration.
Christina.
Yes.
What is the worst thing about being an apprentice?
Nothing at all. It's absolutely amazing, and there is nothing wrong with being an apprentice.
Correct. Right. Okay, so let me just flip this out. One, apologise for the state of the car if you've just seen that. I use this car for fishing and it needs a clean. Right, day done. However, the day's not done. We are off now back home to do tomorrow's design, which is a real good one actually. It's a Spider-Man, a Tobey Maguire Spider-Man. So, yes, we are off back home to do more work. Brilliant stuff. Life of a tattooist, people. The life of a tattooist. It's non-stop. Whoa! Whoa! Kiss. Mwah. We are on with tomorrow's design, which is a Spider-Man Tobey Maguire tattoo, which I am seriously looking forward to. Now, with regards to this tattoo, we wanted to go with the different Spider-Man. So the plan of the sleeve is to have the 3 different Spider-Mans, potentially 4 if we go with the game Spider-Man also, and then we're having a Venom on there. But because we want the 3 different Spider-Mans, we're wanting to show each Spider-Man. Like, not everybody will know the differences in suits and stuff to know which Spider-Man is which. So I think what we're going to go for is a ripped Spider-Man from the first Tobey Maguire film where he's fighting the Green Goblin at the end, with a little Spider-Man on the underneath. Right, so I think we've got the design. I think we're going to go with something like this. Now, may change up a little bit, I'm not too sure yet. I don't think I'm 100% happy on the design, but we'll see.